The top story this week: the Society of Earth Scientists and the Indian National Science Academy, or INSA, organized a brainstorming session on conservation of geoheritage, current scenario and future action plan on 6th of August at INSA, New Delhi. Prominent lawmakers, technocrats, government officials and senior geoscientists deliberated upon the current status and existing laws in India and other countries. They discussed suggestions and ideas for a draft legislation to be proposed to the government for the protection and conservation of geoheritage sites in India. Science Monitor brings you a report.
Geological heritage is of great importance as it helps scientists and geologists to understand the geodiversity of Earth. Under this, scientists study various geological features which include rocks, minerals, fossils and landscapes. These help to understand how the continent has evolved over the billions of years. The country's geological past is stored in the rocks. Rocks are the oldest geological formation in the world, which are estimated to be about 2,500 million years old. Over the years, the records of the rocks have helped to understand varied geology, structure, tectonic history and climatic variability of the country. There are about 34 National Geological Heritage Monument sites of India. These sites are protected, maintained and promoted by the Geological Survey of India, or GSI. Some of the prominent National Geoheritage Monument sites in India include Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, Shivalik Fossil Park in Himachal Pradesh, and Zawar Lead Zinc Mine in Rajasthan. It is important to conserve these sites to understand the Earth's past. Towards this, the Society of Earth Scientists organized a session on conservation of geoheritage, current scenario and future action plan. It was held at the Indian National Science Academy in New Delhi and was attended by geoscientists, archaeologists, conservation scientists, law experts and earth activists. The meeting helped to draft legislation for the protection of geoheritage sites and highlighted the need to set up geoparks. The law will also help to safeguard the land from exploitation.
What we feel that there are a lot of natural sites of geological interest which are being preserved by the Geological Survey of India as the geological monuments. We need to take it further. We need to extend them to the national geological parks, geoscience parks. We are progressing well. We have drafted a small legislation, a bill, which we will try to bring forward after getting the legal opinion on this, and then we will put forward to the right authorities.
The experts emphasized on geological features that should be declared of prime importance. These include bodies of unusual rock types, landforms that preserve records of the past natural events, significant fossil localities, stratigraphic type sections, areas where significant advances in geology are made, and deposits of particular minerals. At present, the nation does not have planning, policy and law to conserve and preserve these heritage sites for future generations.
In terms of protection of geoheritage, we have two ways of working on it. One is under the World Heritage Convention, which is an international legal instrument, and some of the sites can be nominated for their geological historical value. The second option is what's called a geopark. A geopark is a landscape where people live around geological heritage and they try to conserve it.
During the event, the experts presented presentations on the geoheritage and geoparks, Indian and international scenario. Another presentation was on the Zawar and other potential geoparks. A documentary named Geoheritage, produced by Vigyan Prasar, was also released. This documentary is part of a series named Geology and Geography of India. It highlighted that beyond the port city of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is a national geographical treasure, Red Sand Hills, whose secrets are not known to many. The documentary also showed other geological sites of India. As India has a unique geographical history, it is important to preserve these geological markers in order to join the dots of the past to the present. Moreover, for scientific research, these helps to understand our Earth's rocks in a better way.